Hey guys, it's Carla. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm painting a little chicken and an egg. This is a really simple, easy painting, and if you want the outline for it, just look in the description below. I've got a link to my Facebook page where I put all my outlines, so you can check that out. But once you've got the outline on there, it's super simple to paint. I'm doing this on an 8x10 canvas panel. You could use whatever size you want, or you could do it on a different surface like wood or watercolor paper or something. These canvases, you can display them either leaned against a wall or something, or put them in an 8x10 frame, or put them in a larger frame with a mat. Or you can hang them if you fasten a string to the back. So there's a lot of ways to display these. Now I'm just using craft paint and very cheap brushes. So just use whatever colors, whatever paint you have in the colors you want, and whatever brushes work for the look that you want. I think I'm using, right here, I think I'm using a round brush. But you could use a little flat brush for this or whatever. The great thing about the style of painting that I do is that it really doesn't require, usually it doesn't require special brushes or special paint. So it's just whatever you have on hand. Now, if you'll mix yellow and purple, make brown. So if you want like a brown shade, then you can mix those two colors. On my canvas, I've got white, yellow, orange, raw sienna, purple, and black. You could change up some of these colors. I mean, obviously, baby chickens are typically yellow, so you can't do a whole lot of changing there, but you could change it up a little bit. Guys, if y'all are liking my channel, please subscribe and give my videos a thumbs up so that I know what you like and so that YouTube knows what you like. They won't put my videos out there if people are not liking them and commenting on them and stuff. So please help a girl out. And all the videos that I do now are easy, but they're paintings that you would want to display, that you would want to use to decorate with. So I hope you are liking them, and I hope that you're painting them. Now I'm using this dirty purple color to put a little shade at the bottom of the egg and at the top, but just very loosely. And if you'll notice, I keep my brush moving, keep my hand moving, because there's such thing as being too perfect, and this style of painting, you don't want to do that. You want to keep it loose and free. That's what makes it easy to paint, and that's what makes it look good in the end, because if you try to get too perfect with it, it looks very uptight, like you tried too hard. So we want it dark at the bottom And it's okay if it's not blended yet, because we're going to come back with white and blend that. But you want it dark at the bottom and right here on the left hand side. And then with a clean brush, come back with white. And while that's still wet, and it'll kind of blend together. You don't want it perfectly blended. Again, perfection's not what we want. If you guys have any ideas of other things that you want me to paint, I'll be glad to take suggestions. So just leave them in the comments. I've had several people doing that, and I'm working on those. I've got some of them done. But it really helps me if I know what you want to see. Now this background, keep it loose. Keep it very brush strokey. And keep it lighter right around the egg, and then toward the edges you want to get darker. And I'm just using a big flat brush for this. But just keep your brush moving. Keep it very loose. Now, like I said, purple and yellow make brown, so I want it darker in the corners, so I'm mixing up a little brown to go there. Just try not to put a lot of thought into this, because it's going to look overthought if you do. Okay, now I want a dark shade for this, where the straw is going to be. And this is just a base color for my straw. This is actually a really fun little painting, so I hope you get a chance to try it. I'm just making it lighter down here, just so that it's not all dark. But you can change that color if you want. I'm just softening it up right here so that there's not a hard edge. And then I'm drying it so I can put my my straw on. Okay, so I'm using I'm using a round brush here to put some more white into my feathers. So it just depends on how light or dark you want your bird. Now would be the time to go ahead and touch that up if you want to change anything on it. All right, now I'm using a small flat brush to put in my straw, and I'm using the edge of it so that I get that sharp line. But I'm just using different shades of yellow. So there's the raw sienna, there's the yellow, there's white mixed with raw sienna, there's white mixed with yellow. So there's different shades that you can do, and you need to switch back and forth on those, and so that it looks very dimensional. but just keep using the edge of the brush and put in all different shades. Now I'm brushing some of it down here into the front. I don't even know or care what that is. It's just color down there. So now I've mixed some white with it to give myself another shade of straw. Again, brushing in a little more color down there. Remember, when you're painting, things don't always have to make sense. I mean, for the most part they do, but you can brush in color where maybe you don't even know what it is. It's just color. So now I'm using a liner brush, and with pure white I'm putting in some sharp edges on the egg. So just here and there, wherever you think there would be a sharp edge. It's hard to tell that it's making any difference right now just looking at it on the monitor, but in person it does make a difference. So I hope you guys try this, and if you like it, again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And in the comments, please let me know what you would like for me to paint. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I hope you tune in next time.